welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are the new and latest Apple iPhone 16 series cell phone cases by iBlason. So yeah, be sure to check out the link that's shown within the description so you can check them out. And I would like to give a shout out to Alan from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it and then show you guys the cases. So we have some iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max cases. This one's for the Pro Halo Yellow strips by iBlason. Got the iBlason branding right here. And this is MagSafe compatible. Right here's your camera action button right here. And there's a precision cutout for your charging port, microphone, and speaker. There's like a wrist strap right here, 2 holes. And your volume up and down, and action button. You have this special raised up lip around the camera lens to protect the camera from getting a scratch. Let's go and check out this one. This one's Pro Halo Checker. So yeah, this remind me of the Vans shoes checker pattern. And it is MagSafe compatible as well. This one has a special rough texture in the back. Let's go and check out this one. This is the Pro Arma Box SP Black. So this is to remove the screen protector. Some people don't like the screen protector. You can hit it around the edge to remove that. Wow, this is nice. It's like a aluminum plate right here. And this is act as a kickstand. You do a landscape or a vertical. Here the iBlason branding right here. Right here is a MagSafe compatible. Got a camera action button right here, and then you can slide. Oh, there's actually a button right here. And then you have this special bumper on the edges in case you drop it on the corner. It will have a nice impact and protect your expensive iPhone. You can open up all the way to use your camera to snap the photo. Check it out what's inside. Yeah, make sure you pry out the rubber from the edge away from the frame. Just go around the edges so you can remove it. Wow, nice. So you need to remove this inner screen protector and then outer layer. Let's go and then check out this one. This one's the Pro Max Halo green checkers. And again, you have the MagSafe. Go and then check out this one. This one's the Pro Arma Box SP Rudy color. Wow, nice red color. And you get the carbon fiber design looks right here and right here. It's a flap right here to protect your charging port from sand, sugar, whatever rocks to get in there. Let's go and then check out this one. This is the Max Arma Box SP 24 T gray color. In T gray, that means titanium. So yeah, again, you have all this screen protector. So this one has like a gold accent design around the button. It's pretty stiff, which is good. So you could adjust to a different angle. When you try to view a video or something like that, you know. Go and then check out this one. This is the Arma Box SP Rose Gold for the Max. Wow, very nice. Got the screen protector. Huh, you can also stand like this way. Alright, this is the last one. This is for the Max Halo pink stripes. Wow, there you have it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.